How to fix charging not available liquid has been detected problem in iPhone. First up, the only thing that we can do is first up go to the support Apple website and follow the official steps that Apple suggests us. They have given us a list of options that we can try if we persist the problem of charging being disputed because of detected liquid. The first thing is to tap our iPhone gently against our head with the connector facing down to remove excess liquid. Do this, and if it still does not work, after at least 30 minutes, try charging with a Lightning or USB C cable or connecting an accessory. Apple also says that it might take up to 24 hours to fully dry and to leave your iPhone in a dry area with some airflow for up to a day. If your iPhone has dried out but still isn't charging, unplug the cable from the adapter and unplug the adapter from the wall. These are the only steps that you can follow in order to get rid of this problem. Apple also suggests a few not to do, which you can go and check on their website. The second thing you can do is go to settings and click on general and then scroll down and click on shutdown. This will turn off your device and restart after a few minutes. The problem can also be mitigated by restarting your device, and this is how you can easily fix the problem of charging not available liquid detected. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.